Hey, you guys, I'm here at the Nectary. And funny thing, they just told me to bring my pentas in right up to the front at the on hold section because so many of you have called in and asked to hold them so you can buy them. That's fabulous. Thank you guys. I got to go home and grow some more. There they are. Hey y'all, I actually got out of the Nectary and I made more money than I spent. It's fabulous, but I have the coolest story to tell you about this little guy right here. So those are the upland swamp twin flower, and they're the host plant to the common buckeye. Now, I was at work the other day out at recess, and there was a common buckeye, and it flew and it landed right below my feet. And I was like, what are you doing out here? I want you in my garden. I don't have them in my garden. I did have a host plant for them, and it died back. So I did research, and the upland swamp twin flower is a good host plant for the common buckeye. And my husband was down hiking at Circle B, Circle Bar B, Circle B. It's where all the alligators are. I don't go often. And he sent back pictures of this twin flower. And then he sent pictures of common buckeyes. He said they were everywhere. And I was like, I gotta get that plant for my garden. And sure enough, they had a bunch of it here, and it's beautiful. I was like, it's just one of those things. It's one of those things that just all worked out because things are always working out like they're supposed to. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. All right, I'm going to head home with my plants. Yes, I bought 2 swamp milkweeds, and yes, there's a caterpillar on one of them. I only saw one. There's probably more, because, I need more caterpillars in my garden. You guys, retirement reality has set in. It's begun. That one day I have to go back, I'm not even thinking about it. I am living that life, and I'm having the best time. And I started playing without you. I'm so sorry. I've done a lot of stuff too. Wait till you see. And it's only the first day. Let's go. I've been tearing out some things and moving some things around in my Red Pentas garden because hidden back in here has been all along this beautiful bird bath that I need to level. And this is where I had 3 trellis pieces with maypop passion vine, maypop incense growing on it. But y'all, I've got maypop incense everywhere, and I'd rather fill in this with more pentas and some zinnias. And what I found back here is there's a red penta that's been growing back here underneath all that maypop, which is fabulous. And there is a Bahama senna here that has been growing underneath all of it too. Look at all the buds on it, and look, it's growing sideways because it was laying down like that. So I'm gonna stake it up so it can grow upright. And then I took my maypop that this trellis piece, that one used to come out here and then go down here. Well, I did a back V, so the maypop's still going to be here. I cut it back a lot, and I'll use this one to take cuttings from to feed any caterpillars. The 4 or 5, I'll take cuttings from this one, and then I'll just keep it maintained so it doesn't get all over everything. Because there's so much back here that has just been smothered, and I am thrilled to have it visible in my garden again. And then another thing I kind of did without you is I made a little riser in the back with my milk crates, which when my pentas, you remember I trimmed them all down. When they get up and taller, you won't see those. And then I put potted zinnias on top. So it's literally going to be stadium seating with, some lower plants. I've got this, scorpion's tail. Little pollinators love that. growing out front, and then my pentas will get taller, and then on the stadium seating in the back, the zinnias, when they get tall, they're going to be glorious, and they'll kind of block some of my work area in the background that is not so glorious. And now I just sat down in my garden chair for a minute, and I don't want to get up, but I want you to see, first of all, my red trash can is way back there in the background. There's also a gorgeous monarch butterfly flying all around. And what does that red trash can mean? Oh, that's right. It's reminding you to tap the like button and subscribe to my channel. So take a second and tap the like button. Right now, go ahead, tap. And if you are not a member of the Milkweed Crew, I would love for you to join that. I am putting some things in there for the Milkweed Crew. Hang on, let me give you a new view. I had a lot of old videos that I had put unlisted because it had older information and things I don't do anymore, or things I've learned better ways to do. So I didn't want that to be out there in the public eye. But those of you who know me and know me well know what I do now and know not to comment or, I don't know, be sassy about some of my old gardening practices, but they're still fun to watch, and you can still learn a lot. And you can also learn some of the things that I did that I don't do now, and some things that I still do. So I am working there as playlists. Oh, there's a baby. They are made up as playlists, and for each season, I unlocked season 3, I believe, for my members. And so you guys can go see what my garden was like and what I was doing all year in season 3. I'm also going to do season 2 and season 1, my very first video, you'll be able to watch. And those will be coming soon as I can make myself go in from the garden and get those set as a playlist and unlock them all to you guys. So that's for my members. Oh, and I have also made a little PDF butterfly gardening planner, and it is also in there for the Milkweed Crew to download and use. It helps you organize everything by host plant and butterfly that it's the host for, so you can go shopping. It also helps you organize where to put it in your garden. It's really cool. I think you'll like it. So that's in there for free for members to download, and I'm going to try and come up with other things like that to help you guys with your butterfly gardening projects, plans, designs, joy, whatever you want to call it. So if you love my channel and you want to help me out in my time of I no longer have a big income, not that you would call it big, I would super appreciate it. It's $4.99 a month, and I'll leave the link below in the first comment. You can click on to join. But you guys, that's only if you truly, truly want to. Don't feel, I don't know, any kind of obligation to do it, but if you want to, I'd love it. Y'all, I am so not the salesperson. Like, I've had the Milkweed Crew thing there, and I talk about it once in a while, but I really should be talking about it more. And you know, I can sell stuff if it's for somebody else or it's going to help somebody else. But if it's for me, I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know. So, I don't know. There's a gorgeous monarch flying around. All right, back to gardening. Thank you. Remember when I put in this cartway for my cart to haul look, there's another red trash can, to haul plants from my work area? Well, it's a pain still to drag the cart through there. So I'm gonna make my new cart parking right here by the gate. It'll be easier to get in and out, which means I can make this garden bed bigger. I've already got the row of border grass here. So I'm gonna take out this fence post and you'll see what I'm gonna do with it later. And I'm gonna take out that fence post and move this border grass that's right here over and just have a little narrow walkway so I can still cut through here, but it doesn't have to be big enough for a cart. Yeah, this is one of the zinnias we planted a few videos ago. And look, there's more coming up over there in the pink pentas and zinnia garden. It's so fabulous. So yeah, I've got so many plans and I'm gonna bring you along for as much of it as I can, which means that you're probably gonna get more videos, which I just ran into one of my viewers at the Nectary yesterday and they said that's what they're most looking forward to about my retirement. So it's gonna happen. And I'm going to end this video here because I've got some work to do for my business because somebody's got to grow more pentas. And I'll see you in the next one, probably sooner than you think. Oh, one more thing. I wanted to show you those parsley seeds I planted from the Dollar Tree. Is that what it is? They sprouted. So yay. Okay, now I'll see you in the next video.